Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 19 September 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, we have news from the fintech world. Revolut, a prominent player in the financial technology sector, is reportedly in the advanced stages of developing its own stablecoin. This move aligns with Revolut's strategy to broaden its cryptocurrency offerings while ensuring compliance with regulatory standards. Recently, Revolut secured a banking license in the UK, positioning itself to compete with established stablecoin entities like PayPal, Ripple, and BitGo. By integrating stablecoins into its services, Revolut aims to enhance transaction efficiency and user experience, potentially gaining a competitive edge in the digital finance arena. While the exact features and launch timeline of the stablecoin remain undisclosed, Revolut's entry into the stablecoin market could significantly influence market dynamics and consumer adoption of digital currencies. Next, let's talk about a significant investment in the decentralized content delivery space. Multicoin Capital has announced a $10 million Series A investment in Permissionless Labs, the creators of Pipe Network. This network is the first permissionless content delivery network built on the Solana blockchain. The investment underscores the potential of decentralized CDNs to outperform traditional centralized systems by utilizing underused upload bandwidth for improved latency and redundancy. The Pipe network, led by David Rodas, is gearing up for a private beta launch with a public demo slated for the Breakpoint conference in Singapore. Multicoin's investment reflects a growing interest in decentralized infrastructure, signaling potential advancements in content delivery technology. Now, onto Ethereum, which is currently navigating some rough waters. The ETH-BTC ratio has hit a 3-year low, and Ethereum's performance has been flat compared to Bitcoin's 38% increase this year. Several factors contribute to these challenges, including regulatory uncertainties and rising competition from newer blockchains like Solana. Despite these hurdles, Ethereum continues to dominate in areas such as stablecoins and decentralized finance, with major companies like BlackRock and Nike building their blockchain products on Ethereum. The article suggests that Ethereum's current challenges may not be existential, and its established ecosystem and market cap remain significant. As regulatory clarity emerges, Ethereum could present a contrarian investment opportunity. Finally, let's explore the evolution of Bitcoin through various bridges. The first bridge marks a transition from austerity to abundance, highlighting the vibrant ecosystem and emerging applications within Bitcoin. The second bridge, from taproot to tokens, discusses critical upgrades that have enabled the creation of inscriptions and tokens on Bitcoin. The third bridge focuses on the shift from data to programs, emphasizing the need for Bitcoin holders to utilize their assets more expressively through programmable solutions. The fourth bridge addresses the challenges of scaling Bitcoin while maintaining security and economic viability. As the Bitcoin community navigates these challenges, intense debates and experimentation are expected, potentially leading to a second block size war. The future of Bitcoin hinges on balancing technical advancements with market dynamics, as developers and users explore new opportunities within this evolving landscape. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these insights into the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology both informative and engaging. Be sure to check out the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates and analysis. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the world of crypto.